This client came in this morning. He said there's a knock on the right front shock. So I took the strut out, but I see here it's not a lot left here. So I think there's something wrong with the shock, because I looked at every bolt and everything is tight. So the only thing is can be is in here. The shock, I think the shock is moving inside this thing. Because there's I think it's two threads left there. So I just want to take this out and I can see what's going on here. You see, this is too much in. I think there must be about more than 4 left. But I'll open it and I will look again how it looks inside. Okay, there it's out now, but I see here there's grind marks on this thing. See, it's cut smaller, thinner on this side. So yeah, but he told me he had new shocks. The shocks replaced. So this is new. You can see it's new, but someone has made this, grinded this off. Okay, I can buy new shocks, but I think I'm just gonna put washers in there. See how that works. Let me just find some washers. What if I put 2 of these washers on there? See if they will fit in there. Oh, see, everything is clean there, man. I'm gonna put 2 washers in and see how it goes. There's the 2 washers in. I want to see if it can fit better. Now when I get that lock nut, put that in and see how many threads it can be have. You see, so I gained that space over there. That's about 2 washers. Okay, just let me put some oil on and I tap it out down. See, there it is now. There's about 4 or 5 threads left. Yeah, that's 100%. Good. Just remember, when you put a spring in, it might go in there. There's a place for that corner of the spring to go in there, and on top there's also one. Where is it? Is this one? See, there's the point there. The one there. Where's my finger now? The one there. That's the point. It must go in there. Otherwise it will never fit right. So I'm gonna put the thing together, then I'm gonna put it in the bakkie. See how it goes. Also, there is this indentation there. See, it's flat there. And here, that point is flat on top, so it must go in like this. Yeah, exactly like this. And then you put the washer in, and then the nut. Yeah, and that's all. Just fasten it and take that shock thingies out. So now this is the coil compressors. You use that to compress the coil. Without this compressor, there's nothing you can do to get it off. So buy it.